In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a photo to your Canva resume. So I currently have this headshot saved on my computer that I want to go and add into my resume. Now to do this, we just need to click on Uploads in the left-hand side, click on Upload Files, and then just go and upload the image that you want to add to your resume. Once it's finished uploading, you can simply drag the image onto the resume, and from here we can go and resize and also reposition this image. Now you may also want to set this image in a different frame, so this could be a circular image or a different shape. Now to go and do this, we just need to click on Elements in the left hand side, go and search for frames and press enter. Click on the See All button next to frames, and then just select the shape that you want to apply. So let's say we wanted to convert this image into a circle. I'm just going to drag the circle onto the resume and then place the image inside of the circle like this. You could then go and reposition the circle and also resize it like so. And as you can see, we now have this circular headshot. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.